What is up guys, Danny this side. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to add reviews on Glassdoor. So first off, head over to Google or any browser and then in the search bar, type in Glassdoor. You will see the first official website of Glassdoor. Click on that website. If you are new to Glassdoor, you have to sign in with your email and password. But if you already have an account, just simply log in and then after coming to this page, this is the job portal page of glassdoor.com. You can access it directly from here by clicking on jobs. And after coming here on your top, you can see the option of jobs. Click on it. And after clicking search for the job, and you can just simply search for the company that you want to review. And after that, for example, this is the company. The company name is Evolution. I'll just click on this so it will open the Glassdoor profile of the company. And from the right side, you can see the option of review. You can see the option in the black on the right side to add review. Click on this and you can add your review for this company, like giving it stars, to choose, like if you are a current employee of this company or you were a former employee of this company, what was your work status, what was the function, and the title of review. Write down the pros and the down points, like the cons, and then advice for the management. And after writing everything, just check on this checkbox and click on add review. So your review will be added, and this is how you can add a review on Glassdoor. So that was all for this video, everyone. Thank you for watching.